How to post on Likee application. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Likee and make sure you are logged into your specific account. It will land you on this page. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Tap on while using the app. Once again tap on while using the app. And then click on allow. Well, right here at the bottom, you'll get to see the option of upload. By tapping on upload, you'll be able to upload the videos from your gallery. And also you can record the video by tapping on this icon. Record any video that you want to. And once you are done, tap on this tick mark. Well, now you will be able to edit the video with all of these features over here. Once you are done editing, tap on next at the bottom right corner. Well, at the top, you will be able to enter the caption for the post. Write the caption according to your video. And then right here it says who can see. You can set to everyone or private according to your needs. Once you are ready to upload the video, tap on post at the bottom right corner. The video will be posted successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to post on Likee application. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.